Hello, Planner Lovelies. How are you guys today? I'm good. I hope you're doing well. We're going to do my May monthly spread, and this is delayed, I know, but life happens. So, we're going to jump in and use this kit that you guys saw me haul this week, and it's really, really pretty. I love the colors because purple's my favorite color. Here is the header and sidebar page, and this is from DEKdesigns or Plan2beFab. Here are your full boxes, like third boxes and deco. And then date flags, bill dues, the holidays, some page corners, some fun stuff, paydays, another full box, that kind of stuff. So, it's a really pretty matte paper. And, sorry, I was just moving my paper clip there. I think that it's perfect for May. It's pastel enough. It's got floral and some geometric and like all this fun stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. I hope you enjoy the music. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And I'll talk to you guys again at the end. So, here we go. Alrighty guys, so here it is, all done. It came out so cute. I was obviously in North Carolina. I added some stickerific no school stickers, some alarm clocks from DEKdesigns, as well as the cell phone, and then this popcorn movie night is from AmandaKrafts, and these represent late start for the kids, so I forgot to put that in. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're not already. And I hope that you liked seeing a new shop. Like I said, this was DEKdesigns or Plan2beFab. And it came out so stinking pretty. Oh, the date night sticker is from Sweet RT Designs from this freebie. So, alrighty guys. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.